Hey folks, welcome to Tim's Off Grid. I want to do a quick video to show how I laid out this pickleball court. So in the kitchen, you got 7 feet from the net, 20 feet across. The 7 feet is on this side of the line. The 20 feet is on this side of the line as well. Over here, these are 15 feet each, split in half. So 20 feet across again, 15 feet on each rectangle, 7 by 20 in the kitchen. What I did was, I didn't like these templates because I did a template on the basketball court, and as you can see, too much paint was going underneath the template. So I wanted to try masking tape this time. So I just measured out and then laid the masking tape. I tried to get about 2 inches between the tape. I know there's official width of the lines, obviously, if you look up pickleball courts, but I was just going for 2 inches so I didn't use so much paint. I can't remember what the official width is, but I want to say it turned out pretty well, especially for an amateur court. And then I just came through and I used this Alpha Grip waterborne acrylic anti-slip coating paint. That's what I used over here, and just went down and painted everything. So I'll do a video that is sped up a bit to show me lining out everything and painting it. Appreciate it.